Hey everybody, it's me Namaisa and I'm back with another video. Now before I continue with this one, I quickly want to say thank you all so much for the love and support on my previous video. I never could have guessed how much love and support you would actually send me, not just on YouTube but also on social media in general. I almost have no words for it besides that I just want to thank you all so much. Just reading all of your messages and words of love and wisdom and support really lit a fire in me, and it really allows me to just be more open about myself and just be fully 100% Namaisa, not just here on YouTube or social media, but also in real life with you all out there. So thank you all so much. Now for today's tutorial, I'm gonna do this look right here. I'm so ready for spring to be here. It is gonna take a little bit still, I know, but I'm ready for it. My body's ready for it. My skin is ready for spring. So I decided to just add some color, some drama, and yeah, again, that's just it. I'm ready for spring. So if you want to know how I did this look, then you know what you gotta do. For a base, I used the NYX Cosmetics white eyeshadow base, and then I'm using the Sugar Pill Cosmetics Oh Honey palette, and I'm taking the shade Side Saddle, and I'm applying that in my crease, and I'm also applying that up towards my brow bone. Now I'm taking the Colored Rain Vivid Pigment eyeshadow called Splash, and I'm gonna apply that in my crease and also underneath my lower lash line. So in my crease I'm using windshield wiper motions to blend it out, and I'm blending it pretty far above my crease. And then for the lower lash line I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna smudge that out. Now I'm gonna use the shade called Party Drip, and I'm applying that in my crease as well and also underneath my lower lash line. And I'm just mixing that with the previous eyeshadow just to make it a little bit more neon orange, that is. Now I'm taking the Melt Cosmetics Rot eyeshadow, and I'm applying that in my crease, again using windshield wiper motions to blend that out. And I'm emphasizing that shade on the inner part of my crease. And I'm also applying that same shade on my lower lash line, but I'm not blending that down as far as the previous eyeshadows. Now I'm taking the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments eyeshadow called Perp Smurf, and I'm applying that on my lower lash line. And I'm just mixing that together with the previous eyeshadows, and I'm also applying that shade on the outer part of my crease. Again, mixing that together with Rot. Next up, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Smart Mouth Foil Play Cream eyeshadow, and with my ring finger I'm applying that all over my lid. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeshadow in Metropical, and I'm applying that on my lid just to give it more of a wet look / metallic look. And then for my tear duct highlight, I'm using the Sugar Pill Magentric Loose Eyeshadow. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner in black, and I'm just going to follow the shape of my lid. I'm not going to create a winged eyeliner. I'm also going to use the Benefit Roller Eye Bright Pencil, and I'm going to apply that on my lower waterline. And I'm going to coat my lashes in the NYX Cosmetics Doll Eye Mascara. And for my false lashes, I'm using the Sugar Pill Heiress Lashes. Now I already applied my base off of camera, and I wanted to bronze my face with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer in Caramel, but unfortunately it's kind of the same as my own skin tone. So in the end I used it as kind of a foundation powder, but honestly I'm not that dark and this shade did not work for me. So I really hope Benefit is going to add more shades because this was not working for me. I love the formula, but I could not use it as a bronzer, so more shades need to be added. So for contouring, I used my NYX Cosmetics 3 Steps to Sculpt Sculpting Trio, in deep. So I'm just going to define my cheekbones and my jawline. And to set my face, I used the NYX Cosmetics Matte Finish Setting Spray. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm kind of pressing that setting spray further into my skin. It helps with getting rid of that powdery look, you know, that little layer of powder that sits on your peach fuzz hair on your face. That's what it helps with. So the highlighter I'm using today is by Meraki Cosmetics, and it's a loose highlighter called Phoebe. And I'm applying that on my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. For my lips, I decided to line my lips with the Mineralissima brown eyebrow pencil. I know it's an eyebrow pencil, but it works just fine as a lip pencil for me. And then I used the NYX Cosmetics Slip Tease Lip Lacquer in Modern Soul. And to lighten that a little bit, I used the shade Urban Oasis. Honestly, I was not planning on filming this look, but I turned on the camera anyway and just went for it. Now I hope everything was in frame, because when I'm not focused on filming, I kind of, you know, move away from the camera. But I hope with my editing that, you know, you were able to see everything that I was doing. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell so you know whenever I'm uploading a video. And if you want me to do a specific video, drop it in the comments down below, because I'm very curious what you want to see on my channel. If you want to find me on social media, then all you have to type in is Makeup by Namaisa on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. And that was it. I was thrown off by the way I said things. Anyway, that was it. Again, I hope you liked this video, and obviously, until the next one. Bye!